Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you a quick review of Wealthfront's cash account, often seen as a high yield savings account alternative. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So first of all, Wealthfront, this isn't a traditional bank, alright? But they offer a cash account uh, that acts almost like a high yield savings account with some added perks. Now, let me quickly just say it out that it's FDIC insured through Wealthfront's partner banks, and so you have like up to 8 million in FDIC insurance. So they are very trustworthy, and it offers an industry-leading API of 4%, which can boost up to 4.5% for a limited time when you are a first-time client, right? So you can earn more on your unused cash. Just this is for the first 3 months. You get an extra percent API boost. Anyway, so Wealthfront's rate is much higher than national average of 0.42%. So you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, and also their special promotion, new clients can earn additional 0.5% here. So that's way more than the average. So that means you could earn up to 4.5% for first 3 months. All right. And one major benefit of Wealthfront cash account is the FDIC insurance, as I've said before. While traditional savings account only offer up to $250,000 coverage, Wealthfront's cash account offer up to 8 million in FDIC coverage. So your funds are incredibly secure. And just take a look at the ratings, like they have 1 million plus trusted clients, 80 billion plus in total assets, and their app has 4.8 star on App Store and on 4.9 star on Google Play Store, right? So let's check the features. So these are the features here. Wire transfers are free. You get ATM fee reimbursements. You can pay bills, send and deposit checks, and a lot more through the app. Right. So another huge advantage is easy access to your money. With unlimited free transfers, instant withdrawals, and a Visa debit card, you can use over 90,000 ATMs. So they have like 90,000 plus ATM locations with no fees. Plus, you get free wire transfers and the ability to pay bills directly from your account. What's even better is that you can easily move your money into investments when you are ready, whether it's a taxable investment, uh, account or an IRA. Wealthfront makes it seamless to transfer your cash from your savings to your investment account. Now, when comparing to traditional banks, uh, Wealthfront stands out. Many banks offer saving rates that barely keep up with inflation, like 4% here, but only 0.42% on traditional banks. Uh, so Wealthfront consistently provides one of the highest APIs out there, plus their no fee structure and higher FDIC coverage are a big win. You can also see this like domestic wires, they are free and other banks charge us a lot. 8 million on FDIC insurance to 50K on average. Withdrawals free typically takes 2 to 3 days instant withdrawals here, no account fee and more perks. So if you're looking for a savings account that's more than just a place to stash your money, Wealthfront's cash account could be a great fit. Head over to their site and get started today. Click on this link here and get started. And that's all there is to it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.